We are changing a generation. We welcome you. Help us praise his name. Is that wrong to be singing a gospel song to be welcoming my friends? Alright, y'all. So, welcome back to the Nikki Heartbeat channel. I'm a little turnt. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little turnt right now because I finally got the KKW and Mario palette. I'm a little turnt. And I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I really haven't been like excited about any of her products. I got the lipsticks, her lip glosses when they first came out, and they were just disappointing for me. So I really didn't invest in any of her other products. Then I got the brightening powder. You guys saw that on the last video. If you love makeup, you know who Makeup by Mario is. Honey, you're gonna get whatever he touches. Let's be real. So had to get it. Had to get the lipsticks. Got the bundle. So we're gonna see how this all works out. But let me do this eye first, y'all. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, let me do this eye first, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do this eye. All right, so we're gonna figure it out. So I'll be back. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I'm back. This is the look that I came up with. Definitely, I don't know what y'all think. I really like it. I do. I've been practicing my cat eye lately, so I think it came out pretty good. So let me show you how I did it on this eye. I have to use this mirror, you guys. I know my mirror is like always in the video. Like, what can I do? I need my mirror in the video. I can't see. And excuse all of this. I don't know what this is on my face. I don't know, you guys. I think something is happening to me. I don't want to claim it. Anyways, so the first color I'm going to go in with is this color right here. It's called Miami. You guys know I love to always set and mattify my base by just pressing in my transition color and making sure that I have the shape that I want. Okay, so once I have my shape down, I'm going to switch my brush. I'm getting the Morphe M562 brush, and with the lightest hand I'm going to start blending. So now that I kind of just blended out the edges just a little bit, I'm gonna now dip into this color, and definitely pigmented. I mean, you already know if it's gonna have Mario's name on it, it's going to be a good product. I had the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Mario palette, and it is everything. I need to use it. I haven't used it in so long. It's like a collector's item, you know what I mean? Go back to the first brush, my blending brush, and I'm just going to blend. So I did forget a step, so I'm gonna go back and do it now. This color right here, this color is called Decay. Alright, I see why people were getting confused. It's actually flipped. So this one is called Decade. This one on the end, I'm gonna go in with that and give my brow bone the moment that she deserves. So when I give my brow bone the moment that she deserves, I'm only putting my highlight at the bottom of the arch. That's it. Just right there. I'm going to go in with this color called Albanian. Now I'm going to lightly blend it out. This brush is so perfect, you guys. Have to go get it. It's the Morphe M562 brush. So whatever is on my brush, I'm going to start bringing it towards my inner corner. There's nothing on this brush. I'm gonna use shadow shields to get that really sharp point for my wings. Moving on to this brown color here called 2008. You guys, wait a minute. Damn, I'm confused. And you know what? I was watching people's videos and I was like, y'all real illiterate. Y'all can't read the back. You can't read the legend? And now I'm sitting here like, okay, I'm confused because this wouldn't be called bronzy, right? This is Libra, right? So that means this is bronzy, right? So that means this is Decade. So I did that right. This is Decade, this is 2008. So this is Loyalty. Look at that. Process of deduction. Okay, we're gonna use that. Look at that girl using some stuff she had learned from high school. Look at that. Anyway, so we're gonna go in with that color. And we're basically just going to sweep it over the lash line. I'm gonna go in with Decade, this color here, and I'm going to use this brush, my MAC 239 brush, looks like this, and I'm going to start packing that into this blank space. And I'm also going to use it to help cut the crease. It's like a softer cut crease. It's not the concealer and all that other stuff. It's just with shadow. Honey, I'm waiting on my P. Louise to be cutting the crease, honey. Like, I'm really impressed with this palette, you guys. All right, so I'm gonna get a clean brush, and it is a Morphe M506. And I'm just going to just blend right over that. Go back to my Morphe M562 brush, and I'm just gonna go right back over that. Okay, like I said, it's a soft cut crease. All right, so now I'm gonna get a little bit more of that brown shade. So let me do that dark brown. Wipe off my brush, and I'm gonna get a little bit more of this color here, this reddish brown color, and then I'm gonna blend it out with a very light hand, you guys. Make sure your pressure is very light for whenever you're doing any kind of blending. I'm pretty satisfied with the blend. So now I'm going to put a wing on it. I'm using Inglot number 77. So with the help of the shadow shield, I should be able to create a really sharp line. And I'm going to just smudge right over that black before it dries. Keeping it pretty tight in my outer V. I'm gonna go back in with that dark brown again, and I'm just gonna run it right over it. Okay, so now I'm going to take this away, and let's see what we're left with. That's not right. Let me fix that. So I used this pencil from Urban Decay. It's called LSD. Like a sparkly blue. It's a little bit darker. I go in with a Morphe M507. And Libra, honey, if we don't know any of the other colors, we know this one is called Libra. All right. This wing needs so much help, but don't you worry. Okay, you guys, I'm going to use my favorite lashes right now from Lash Empress, and they are called Paris. Have y'all tried the lashes yet? Have y'all gotten the lashes yet? I feel like I keep talking about them, but I don't know if anybody got them. Like, no. Guys, know I am paying the price because my eyes are on fire, but I do this for you. Okay. Looks good, right? It looks I can't even see, y'all. My eye can't even see right now, but look good, okay? Look real good. Let's move on to the face, you guys. Priming with my Farsali and Hourglass primer. Then going in with my Cover FX foundation. Becca Under Eye Corrector. So next I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tapes. I'm going to blend the concealer into my lower lash line. MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. This color is medium gold. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my Dermablend powder for my nose, the Dominique Latte palette, and I love the color Caramel for my nose. I just love this color right here. All right, now that I got my nose contour looking some kind of way right now, let's finish this face. Let's bring some color to this face, honey, because the face is looking very dull. All right, very dull. So I'm gonna put some Tatcha on my highlight areas and with my Anastasia Beverly Hills. So now back in with the color Caramel right here. Then I like to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in the color Tawny. So let's add some blush to this look. I'll go in with macchiato for one more layer of highlight. Alright, so I got the lipsticks, so let's do that. I'm really glad these are nude, right? Because what else would go with this look? Okay, I'm going to line my lips with Bombshell from Huda Beauty. My lips are so chapped right now. This is the stuff you have to go through. Anyway, so this color is called Classic K. Oh yeah, that's bomb. Bitch. Got Juicy and Classic Nude. Probably be smarter to go in with Juicy. I'd rather keep it this color, to be honest. Ooh, came out juicy, didn't it? Juicy. Okay, KK, what's going on? Listen, definitely, let me get my hair right. Let me get, hair don't wanna. Come on now. I'm loving this look. KKW X Mario Palette. The lipstick is bomb, you guys. Like, I love a nude lip. Like, I will wear this color every day if I can. I really would. Like, you just can't go wrong with this kind of nude. So yeah, I hope you guys like this look. It is definitely a little bit more dramatic than what I usually do, but I wanted to really play with the palette and do my smoky wing, and I just wanted to add the blue somewhere. I do really like it. It looks very exotic. I look like I'm from Egypt, okay? I look foreign, okay? So I'll take it, you know what I'm saying? It look a little foreign now. Look like you trying to go somewhere now. Look like you trying to, you know, get your passport out. So you guys let me know in the comments below what you think about this look. If you want to see a couple more looks with the KKW, just let me know. We can definitely do something a little bit less dramatic. Just let me know. Go out and get the palette, you guys. It's definitely worth the hype. It really is. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you.